In this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture in SAP SuccessFactors. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to the top right and click on your profile icon. From here, you want to go and click on user profile, and there's going to be a bunch of information in here. Don't worry about it. This is just some demo information because I'm using the demo trial version to actually show you how to do this. So whenever you're in here, all you have to do is go to the top left where you can see your image and make sure you don't actually click on the image itself. You want to click on this little camera icon next to it. And when you do so, you want to click on upload an image over here. And then from here, you simply want to find the image you want to upload as your new profile picture. So I'm just going to go over here. And for this instance, I'm actually going to use my logo. So I'm going to find it. I'm going to click on it and then click on open. From here, it's going to allow you to actually kind of scale it as well, and of course rotate it and kind of relocate it if you want to. And when you're happy, hit the Save Changes button down here at the bottom, and that's going to allow you to change your profile picture. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.